Hey everyone, I'm Kelly with Suburban Soapbox, and today I have Landon with me.
Hey guys.
And we are making the very best Rice Krispie Treats. Krispie Treat Cereal treats, right?
Yeah.
Ours are extra gooey, extra marshmallowy, and extra crispy. They are the perfect Rice Krispie Treats ever. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need to make your Rice Krispie Treats. 6 cups of crispy cereal, so crispy rice cereal or Rice Krispies, like whatever you're getting. You can get the generic kind, that is fine. The regular size marshmallows and mini marshmallows, butter, and vanilla. I like to use vanilla bean paste because it gets the little flecks of the vanilla in your Rice Krispie Treats and it looks super fancy, but you can use regular vanilla, you can use vanilla powder, and in a pinch, because vanilla is really expensive right now, you can use vanilla coffee creamer, like the powdered creamer. That works really well too. So to start, I'm just gonna have Landon put 5 tablespoons of butter into our pot. And that's probably, your hands are clean, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, pick that long one. Put that in the pot. So we're just gonna melt the butter in there. You wanna stir that until it melts. Once the butter is melted, we're going to add the marshmallows. So when we add the regular size marshmallows, it's a whole bag, like a regular size bag. And we're just gonna pour all the marshmallows in. And turn the heat down a little bit. Kind of getting away from us a little, and then stir that up. So you want to stir so that the butter coats all the marshmallows. And they start to melt pretty quickly, so you want to make sure that you're moving pretty quickly and stirring to make sure that it's smooth. Take it from the bottom too to make sure everything's getting melty. So our marshmallows are diminishing. Once that's completely smooth, we're going to add the vanilla. And again, you can use coffee creamer. This is a really easy recipe to kind of make your own. So if you want to add like other flavorings, you can totally do that. We've added a scoop of peanut butter before. I made peanut butter Rice Krispie Treats and then drizzled some chocolate. You can actually get that recipe on my website, thesuburbansoapbox.com. You can make churro Rice Krispie Treats by adding like cinnamon and sugar to it. There's really no limit to your imagination here. Whatever you can come up with, you can throw in there. All right, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of vanilla bean paste, just like a teaspoon. If you're using vanilla extract, you might wanna use a little less just because it's very liquidy and you don't wanna kind of mess up the consistency of your marshmallow. So it's nice and smooth. You can see the flecks of the vanilla bean in there because we're fancy like that. Right?
Mm-hmm.
You don't care. You're like, just give me the Rice Krispie Treats.
And finally the marshmallows went down.
Right. So now we're just gonna add the mini marshmallows, and you only wanna add about 2 cups. And you want to add them, stir, and then immediately add your Rice Krispies. Okay. Just give it a quick stir. And then I'm going to pour this in and then give it a little stir, like just to combine everything. And now I'm going to add some more and stir.
I like the sound.
Yeah. It does sound really cool, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is where Mom might need to come in with the muscle. Okay, I'll stir the rest, okay? This is where I'm gonna take it off the heat and just fold everything so that it combines a little bit better. And you can kind of fold it. Just take it up from the bottom and over the top. Just like that. See, we have some of those marshmallows in there.
One didn't even melt yet.
Well, the little marshmallows, we want them to be in there. You don't want them to all be melted. You want big pockets of marshmallow throughout. And that's what makes them the very best. And if you want, you can even add a few more in. Just fold in a few more. They'll get a little melty because it's still hot. There we go. So I just sprayed the bottom of the brownie pan with some cooking spray, and we put in a layer of parchment paper on the top. This is going to make it super easy to pull them out of the pan once they're set. And this is the fun part. So remember the little bit of butter that we had left? See what happens? Pre-butter. You're just gonna take this butter and rub it all over your hands, and you're gonna press that down.
I don't like butter on my hands.
That's so that your hands aren't sticky. And then you're gonna press that all down. Rub it all over your hands. Now give me this one. And you press that all down. You want to press them down pretty compact so that they don't fall apart when you cut them. You are trying to make like a bar, so it's like a brownie or a cookie bar. There we go.
You can see some of those small marshmallows.
Yeah, like right here, you can totally see some of the marshmallows right there. All right, now you just let them set up. They only take a few minutes, so like 30 minutes max. You can let them sit at room temperature. You can pop them in the refrigerator. I don't like to put them in the refrigerator for longer than 5 or 10 minutes because they'll get really, really hard. That marshmallow, the melted marshmallow, just kind of like becomes like a hard candy. So it's best if you leave them sit at room temperature. They will set up very quickly. Rice Krispie Treats are ready. They're all set up. We're just gonna pull them out of the pan. They're still, look how gooey they are still. Amazing.
Why are they so like gooing down?
Oh, because they're still a little warm. I like them better when they're a little warm. They're super gooey.
Time to cut.
Time to cut. Even my son doesn't like my knife skills. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of butter and rub it on my knife so that it doesn't stick when we're cutting it. Ah, stop being so dramatic. You can also use cooking spray. I am out of cooking spray, and that's why I've been using the butter. You're gonna eat a marshmallow.
No, I want to sprinkle it on the Rice Krispies.
Oh, go ahead.
That would have been.
This is when you decorate them. This is a good time if you want to drizzle chocolate or, I don't know, Fruity Pebbles or sprinkles or something on top. You can do it now. Super gooey. All right, do you want to take a bite?
Mm-hmm.
Pick one. Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
I'm gonna take a bite too. Pick this little one with all that marshmallow in the middle. That's kind of messy. They could have used a little more time to set up, but they're still amazing. Definitely could have used a little more time setting up. But they're so good. Sweet and gooey and buttery and amazing, right? What do you think?
Awesome.
You're wearing it on your chin. You have like a,
Goatee.
yeah, crispy goatee. If you like this video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.
Bye.
Bye.